You don't have to do this. I feel the conflict in you. It's tearing you apart.
My conscience is clear.
No, you still hurt. I feel it.
You still hurt.
Sir! Let me get that for you, Mr. Kylo, sir.
Is this what you always wear?
We're meeting the Supreme Leader. I dressed appropriately.
But communicating through the Force? That called for being shirtless?
It caught me by surprise. Enough of this. The Supreme Leader is waiting for us.
I bet he has his shirt on.
Feels like we've been chasing the Resistance forever. Can't we just blow them up or something? I don't get it.
Why won't it just work? Big old battleships, bad wiring.
Clearance, please. My lord, my sincerest apologies. Please don't destroy my console.
Ben, when we touched hands, I saw your future. Just the shape of it. You will not bow before Snoke. You'll turn. I'll help you.
I saw something too. Because of what I saw, I know when the moment comes, you will be the one to turn. You will stand with me, Rey. Competent maintenance staff. I told them to have this fixed.
Join me and let's fix it.
I see what you're doing. How about you join me and we fix it?
Can you decide?
You can explain to the Supreme Leader why you destroyed our kitchen.
How was that my fault?
Get in.
Young Rey. Come closer, child.
You underestimate Skywalker. And Ben Solo. And me.
You have the spirit of a true Jedi. My worthy apprentice, son of darkness, heir apparent to Lord Vader, fulfill your destiny.
I know what I have to do. Whoa! Rey, you doing okay? Get ready!
That's fine. It's fine.
You're right over there!
Don't worry about me.
Look out!
You all got to wear helmets. Why couldn't I? Look out, Rey. Rey, I need you.
The fleet! There's still time to save the fleet!
Rey! I want you to join me. We can rule together and bring a new order to the galaxy.
Don't do this, Ben.
Join me.